Remember those microscopic air pockets we mentioned that were present in a bar of ivory soap? The air in those microscopic pockets should expand if we heat the bar of ivory soap, right? What would happen if we place a bar of ivory soap in a microwave oven and turn it on? As the bar of ivory soap is heated, the air pockets expand and continue to expand. The warmer the air, the more volume it requires. So as the air pockets get hotter, they get larger and larger. Let's turn off the microwave and see just how hot and how soft the bar has become. It is pretty warm, but really soft to the touch.